Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and let me show you how to add the fingerprint to this device. First open the settings. Then from settings list select security and privacy, and here mark device analog. Now select fingerprint, and before adding your fingerprint you need to set some backup pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern, so now provide the backup pattern. Tap on next and re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage notification content, mark done, and now it's time to set up your fingerprint. As you can see, the sensor is located on your home screen, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it. As you can see, your fingerprint has been added. You can smoothly use it. You can also add another one if you want to, but if that's the end of the action, just tap on done. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.